Welcome. This is your moment to pause, to breathe, to let go. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let your shoulders relax. Feel the ground beneath you. You are safe. You are supported. With each inhale, imagine peace filling your body. With each exhale, release tension and worry. Inhale. Exhale. You are safe. Let these words wash over you. I am calm. I am safe. I am exactly where I need to be. Picture a peaceful place. A quiet beach, a glowing sky, or a blooming meadow. Let it surround you. Let yourself be. You are doing enough. You are enough. I am calm. I am enough. Let yourself be. Take one final deep breath and slowly exhale. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this peace with you. You are grounded. You are whole. You are at peace.